Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. On the previous tutorial, I showed you how to start the virus from corner to corner. And I said I will come back to show you how to do the decrease. So I am planning to make this a blanket. I had this yarn, total of 6 in my stash. And so far it looks pretty good. I haven't used the material, so I don't know how it will be in the future. But for crocheting, I had no problem. It was from Dollarama I purchased last year. And I had 6, so I said, let me just do this. So I started on the 4. So I used up 3 balls. Now I started on the 4. So before I finish all my yarn, I want to do the border as well. Just the shawl, basic shawl, nothing fancy because the stitch itself is just gorgeous. So I'm going to show you how to do the decrease. I'm at the point right there. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show you how to do the decrease. Okay, so what we do is when we come finish one of the shells, fans, and we're going to be turning around. Okay, so I'm going to start showing you how to do that. And then when I come back here, I'm going to do the same thing, turn around. That's how we do our decreases. Okay, we did our increases. I haven't blocked it or steamed it or anything. So this is just out of my hand. And as you can see, the edge, I tried to pull it a little bit. I pull this part so it fixes itself. So if I steam it, I'm sure it's gonna, not too much steam, so this is acrylic. So I don't want to ruin the yarn material, the fabric. But so far it looks pretty good. So let's get started on how to do the decreases. I do have tutorials on my channel how to do the decrease. But for this particular one, I just wanted to come back and show you more details so you can get the hang of it. So I'm just going to grab it and I will start showing it to you. Okay, this is a new display, or what you call it. I'm downstairs in my dining room. I'm just showing it on the table. So here it is. It's right here. I have to make another double crochet and we'll go from there. So the crochet hook I'm using is, I think it was this one. Yeah, because I put this aside because I finished this after midnight and I didn't want to do the tutorial. It's really nice to do it on when it's daylight. So always count, go back. It's supposed to be 11 of this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And the 11th one. Okay. So from here, what we do is we make a new one, right? But we're not, I forgot to do the 1 chain. Yeah, don't forget the 1 chain. So there's supposed to be a 1 chain in between on the last row. So I haven't seen any tutorials. I'm just making up because I want this to turn into a blanket. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, what we usually do is we do the 7 chain, right? So I'm going to jump right here, onto the next shell here, and then make a double crochet. Okay. So this is how we do it, right? We come and then we make a shell. So I'm going to get rid of this one and I'm going to be making this one on top. So to do that, I need to, see, this is the 3rd, as you can see. I need to make 3 more. 2 more. Okay, so from here, I'm going to do 7 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then I'm going to turn my work. And then I'm going to make a shell here. so here. And then I'm going to jump on the third one, so we're skipping the 2, and then we're going to make single crochet. So this rows are single crochets that we do. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what we do is we skip one of the double crochets, and on the second we make a single crochet. So skip this one, and then we're going to do this, I believe, 2 times the single crochet. Just pulling down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip this one. On the next one, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip one and then make a single crochet. And then we just continue repeating the pattern, the stitch that I showed you. So let me just put this on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another shell, and I will let you go, and I will crochet all the way. 3, 4. So we skip these 2 on the third. We just repeat what we did here. Okay. So we're going to make this shell here. So these are going to be like a border. You don't even have to make a border. Just leave it the way it is. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to continue crocheting, and I will meet you, because it's going to be so many crochets. So I will meet you right here, and we're going to repeat what we just did. But this time it's easy. We're just going to chain 7, skip to the third one, and do the turn around, and then do our double crochets, 11 double crochets. Okay, so I will be right back. I have crocheted all the way to the edge again. So I did just follow the pattern, and I am going to put the link in the comment section. Lots of people can't see the description for some reason. That's no worries. So I forgot to tell you, I was using the wrong crochet hook, and because I'm using a smaller crochet hook to make this tighten. Like if I use a bigger crochet hook, it's going to be too loose. And so that's why I'm using a 3.5. You can use any crochet hook that you feel comfortable with. Okay, so I follow the pattern, and where I'm going to do is I'm going to do my 3 chain as I did. The other side was different, but so this is how you do it. So here I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I'm going to jump on the third. Okay. I'm just using this method as my experience. Like there's no written pattern, no one's showing. So I'm just using my judgment how to do my decrease. Okay, so on here, I'm going to chain 3 to go up. I'm going to consider that as 1 double crochet. Here, we just fill how we did in the pattern, which is 11 double crochets right here. Okay, and then I'm going to follow. I'm just going to follow the pattern. And when I finish this virus, this is going to be, so when I finish this is going to be up here, sorry. And I'm just going to continue the crocheting the pattern. And I'm going to come, and then I'm going to do this one up here on the next row. And then I will continue crocheting, and then this will be the decrease. I'm not going to come back and show you every step, because it's just to repeat what I just showed you. The main thing is to do this part and then turn around. Okay, that's all you need to do. I'm just, like I said, there's no written pattern. No one's telling me what to do. I'm just using my judgment. And you can use any pattern. And then you can make a corner to corner like this, as I'm just showing you. And you just do your decrease. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. 9, 10, and then 11. Okay, so I'm just doing the pattern as I said. I'm just repeating. So if I show you this, this is gonna take me so forever, because it's one person crocheting one stitch at a time. So this is all to it. I hope you like this tutorial, just to show you how to do a decrease. So it's going to be like this. Yeah, you don't even have to do a border. If you want, you can make a border on this edge and then finish it up with the shells and then make it look like this. You can play around with it, use your judgment. I will share it with you on the Tada videos that I do. I have a playlist. You can go and check it out. I do shorts. I post shorts every day. Lately, I've been posting sourdough because I've been crazy about sourdough. My husband loves bread, therefore I want to make him happy because his cholesterol was too high. Now it's perfect, and we want to keep it that way. Again, I will let you go. You guys take care. Bye-bye. The weather was just miserable that day on Saturday. And today I went out. Today's Monday, the 27th, and I had to do some errands, and I just wanted to do it fast so I can come home and do my podcast, but still I'm late, but I'm doing it anyways. So this is all to it. Yeah, the video, I put the clip in between, and this podcast is short and neat. To the point. So I will let you go, and I will see you on May 27, 2026. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. It can be a short, it can be a tutorial, it can be baking, cooking, anything that I come up with, my garden, my flowers, my plants. Oh, I love my plants. Oh, my succulents are just beautiful, and I'm sharing them with you. And I'm into the sourdough since September, nonstop. I've been baking, trying different flowers, and so on. You guys take care. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye.